Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Opposites, and 2. Phonics, ng, ing, and magic E. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay? I will give you the gesture and you do the actions. Are you ready? Stand up. Open. Close. Grip. Release. Imagine. Look into. Sit down. Now at this time, let's do it again together. Are you ready? Stand up. Open. Close. Grip. Release. Imagine. Look into. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. This week we're going to do 2 letters for 1 sound.
Phonics の2文字で1つの音。
N, G, ing, and magic E. Let's begin. NG is ing. King. Ing.
NG で終わる単語のほとんどの音は最後の G の音を言いません。まず口を開けてベロの後ろの部分を口の中の上にペタッとくっつけて音を出します。
Ing.
できたかな？
Okay, let's try the ing sound together. 1, 2. Ing. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? NG is ing. King. Are you ready? 1, 2. NG is ing. King. Wonderful. Next is magic E. Magic E is cute. Let me explain about magic E.
マジック E を説明します。
When we add an E to the end of a word,
E が単語の最後に来たとき、
it changes to magic E.
その E はマジック E に変わります。
It becomes soundless.
そして音がなくなります。
And it has power.
そして不思議な力を持っているんだよ。
It can change a vowel sound before E.
その不思議な力は E の前に来るあいうえおのどれかの音を変えることができるんだ。
From the sound of the letter to the name of the letter.
アルファベットの音から名前の呼び方に変えれるんだよ。
For example, let's read this word.
例えば、 これを読んでみよう。
cut. Now we have magic E here. Cute. Did you get it? Okay, let's try the magic E together. 1, 2. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? Magic E is cute. Are you ready? 1, 2. Magic E is cute. Very good. It's time to sing. Let's sing the song How's the Weather together. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside.
It's sunny,
It's rainy.
it's windy,
It's cloudy.
it's snowy,
It's foggy. It's hot. It's cold. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside.
it's sunny,
It's rainy.
it's windy,
It's cloudy.
it's snowy,
It's foggy. It's hot. It's cold.
da 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 da.
Well done. Goodbye. It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. It's hot. It's cold. It's soft. It's hard. It's slow. It's fast. It's a little. It's a lot. It's light. It's dark. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? It's a little. It's a lot. It's hot. It's cold. It's light. It's dark. It's slow. It's fast. It's soft. It's hard. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. First, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? It's big. It's small. It's left. It's right. It's long. It's short. It's a little. It's a lot. Good job. Next, let's do it a little faster, shall we? Are you ready? It's big. It's small. It's left. It's right. It's long. It's short. It's a little. It's a lot. Good job. Hi, it's book time. This week, try to listen to the story in English only. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. The title is Opposites, written by Gary and Akiko. This is big. This is small. It's hot. It's cold. He is happy. She is sad. This is up. This is down. This is left. This is right. These are a little. These are a lot. This is soft. This is hard. The end. Did you understand the story? Goodbye. Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says king. Guess who?
Kit.
King.
Kit.
Who said king? I did. I said king. Oh, Max said king. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Linda?
I said kit. Kit.
I see. How about you, Carla? Carla?
I said kit. Kit.
I see. Bye, everybody! See you next time! Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Opposites, and 2. NG, ing, and magic E. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.